Alright, this is a quick video to show you how to how the class test will run on Thursday. Here I've created this practice class test environment as a topic on the Moodle page. You see there are two links. Practice online test, submit your solutions here. So to access the test questions, you click on Practice Online Test. To submit an answer or your overall solutions, you need to come back here when you're finished and you have your solutions as a single PDF and go and click on the Submit link. Let's have a look at the online test. You can attempt as many times as you like. The questions are drawn from the practice test. This is one of the practice test questions. It's been rephrased. The rephrasing of the question asks you to explain the solution of the following problem. Provide a clear explanation of every step in the calculation. There are 5 marks available. All of those marks will be dedicated to your explanation rather than the actual solution, provided that the solution is not complete nonsense, of course. So if you present a reasonable, correct solution, even with a good explanation, then you'll get the marks. Presenting a correct solution doesn't actually yield you many marks in this question anymore, because you can just plug this straight into Symbolab or Wolfram Alpha and get the answer with all the steps. You have to explain your solution. The next question, it's just a straight copy-paste from the practice test questions again. 5 marks. Those 5 marks will be dedicated towards you finding or building up this ODE model, the solution, and any explanations that you provide. Here's a proof type question. Again, this is one off the practice test. It's the question where you have to take complex exponentials and express them in sine and cos. You have to work through the proof and explain all the steps and discuss the implications for real world problems. Here's another question that's kind of complicated. You're looking at the Euler-Cauchy ODE. It's been reworded from the practice test, and now you're explaining the solution to Sherlock the cat. You're helping Sherlock the cat go through these, go through the steps of the problem to get to the solution. So you do have some marks for the calculation, like you've got to help him solve this quadratic. That should be fairly straightforward. But then you have to explain what to do with the 2 solutions to that quadratic. How can you form a single general solution? And why is that general solution correct? You'll notice that on all of the questions there's been this, do not write your solution below. It will not be marked. Upload your solution with all of the other solutions in a single PDF file in the submission box. You can write in here. Do not write in here. I'm not going to look at the submission boxes. Whatever text you type here is not going to be marked. You need to write your solution separately, either on an electronic tablet device or on a piece of paper. You need to compile those solutions into a single PDF and upload them in the submission upload link. So we'll finish, we'll submit all and finish, blah blah blah. You don't actually have to do that. But we'll return now to the course homepage. We return to the course homepage to submit our solutions. We firstly note this cartoon with a naughty green bean and a good yellow bean. And the naughty green bean's been cheating. This is to remind you of your obligations under the academic honesty policy. You can add a submission. For an individual submission, you must declare that you haven't been naughty. You can then drag and drop your files here and save the changes. That will upload your file. So that's the two important links. The test question the test questions you access here, the solutions you submit here. This is the practice environment. It's not going to be marked, it'll just sit there forever. The real test environment will occur in the assessments down here as normal.